In an ongoing legal battle, Sean "Diddy" Combs, the renowned music mogul and entrepreneur, has made another significant move in his federal case. At the third bail appeal hearing, Diddy's legal team requested that the court dismiss the federal case entirely. This request is part of an ongoing legal strategy as the rapper and business tycoon seeks to clear his name and move past the charges against him. The federal case centers around serious allegations, but the specifics of the charges have not been fully disclosed to the public. However, what's clear is that Diddy's legal team is aggressively working to have the case dismissed, and this latest appeal is one of the critical moments in the fight for his freedom. This third bail appeal hearing comes after previous attempts to secure a release or a reduction in bail, both of which were unsuccessful. Each time, the court has denied his request to dismiss or reduce the charges, but the continued efforts to challenge the case show Diddy's determination to protect his reputation and his freedom. At this hearing, Diddy's attorneys presented arguments that they believe demonstrate the case's lack of merit. They suggested that the charges against him were not supported by enough credible evidence to justify continuing the proceedings. His legal team has consistently argued that the allegations against him are unfounded and that the case should be dismissed, citing discrepancies in the prosecution's evidence. One of the key aspects of this hearing was the focus on the legal grounds for dismissal. Diddy's team argued that the case was built on a weak foundation and lacked sufficient legal or factual backing to proceed to trial. While the details of the case remain unclear, Diddy's legal team has been adamant in their belief that the federal charges should never have been brought in the first place. In response to the request for dismissal, the court is expected to thoroughly examine the evidence and decide whether the case should be thrown out or allowed to continue. The outcome of this hearing is significant because it could set the stage for the future of the case. If the court agrees to dismiss the charges, Diddy could be cleared of any wrongdoing and the case would be closed. However, if the court denies the request, the case would continue and Diddy would face a lengthy legal battle ahead. Diddy's supporters, many of whom have been vocal throughout the legal proceedings, are watching closely to see how the court will respond. The music mogul has maintained a prominent presence in both the music and business industries, and any legal issue could impact his brand, career, and public image. His fans are hoping that the court will see the merit of his argument and dismiss the case, allowing him to move forward with his life and career. As the hearing continues, the legal community is watching closely to see how this high-profile case will unfold. The outcome of the hearing could have implications for future bail appeals and how courts handle cases that involve high-profile figures. The judge's decision could set a precedent for how legal cases like this are handled in the future. It's also important to note that Diddy's legal team is not just focused on the bail appeal, they're actively working to challenge the case on multiple fronts. In addition to the dismissal request, they are looking into other legal avenues to fight the case. The music mogul has not only been dealing with the legal side of things, but also the media attention that surrounds his case. As one of the most famous figures in the entertainment world, Diddy's every move is under the microscope, which only adds to the pressure of the situation. For Diddy, this legal battle is just one of many hurdles that he has had to face throughout his career. He has overcome challenges before, and his ability to handle adversity has been one of the driving forces behind his success. Whether or not the court grants his request to dismiss the case, it is clear that Diddy is prepared to fight for his name and his future. As the legal proceedings continue, Diddy's fans and the public will be eagerly awaiting the court's decision. The next steps in this case could dramatically alter the trajectory of his career and his public image. For now, all eyes are on the courtroom as the saga continues to unfold.